Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Manychat to ChatGPT. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log in to your Manychat account. Once you've logged in, go to your account settings, usually found on the sidebar. Click on Settings and within that menu, locate the Integrations section. Integrations are where you connect Manychat with other powerful tools. Now, under Integrations, search for ChatGPT. To complete this connection, you'll need an API secret key from OpenAI. So, open a new tab and visit the official OpenAI page. Log into your account using your credentials, and once you're in, look for the API Keys section. You can find it by typing API Keys in the search bar at the top. This will take you to the API Key Management page. Click on Create New Secret Key to generate a new API key for this integration. You can optionally name the key and then choose Default Project. Once the key is created, click Copy immediately before leaving the page, as this key will only be shown once. Next, head back to your Manychat dashboard. In the Integration Setup screen, you'll see a field labeled Enter ChatGPT API Secret. Paste the API key you just copied into this box. After pasting your key, click Connect ChatGPT account. Once the system verifies your key, the integration will be complete. And that's it. So that is how you can connect Manychat to ChatGPT. So that's all for this video. Thanks.